decided to do my own nails. So I used my gel nail set. As you can see here, I'm just starting by just filing with a very gentle file, just going over the nail bed just to take off any little bumps and just smoothing the nail out. And here I go, looking through some of the nail colours that I've got. Well, in fact, all of the nail colours that I have for this particular nail set. So I'm just going through, having a look at the colours and trying to decide, shall I go for that one or shall I go for that one? And this was actually bought from Amazon, this particular kit, crikey, maybe 3 years ago. And to be honest, I don't use it that often. I have used it when I first had it, I used it quite a bit. But, you know, of the latter years, I haven't. My daughter's been doing my nails for me. But I decided to take them all down again and just to give it a little go. So I still haven't decided what colours I'm going for. But before I can put any colour on, I need to find the base coat and the top coat. And it looks as though finally I have found the base coat. So I literally just apply one coat to every nail and then I just pop it under the LED lamp for, I think it was 60 seconds. And a little tip for you, what I like to do is just work on one hand at a time, so I completely finish off one hand, which means I have one spare hand free should I need to do anything. And as you can see now, I've just popped it under the lamp. I don't know, talk about being a Gemini. I still haven't chosen the colours. Am I sticking to that one? Nope. That one, may use that one on top of another colour. Ah, now, that looks pretty, wow. Could be autumnal, I guess. So here I go. I'm just putting this green on to the ring finger. That's going to be on the ring finger of both of my hands. And just trying to take a little bit away from the side. So I went over the skin a little bit and of course popped it into the lamp now. Right, so I finished under the lamp for the green colour, and now I'm going in with like a brown, so it is going to be quite an autumnal look. So first of all, literally just one coat of the brown on the rest of the nails, and then I'll pop it under the lamp for 60 seconds. And of course, when you see me going around the edge like that, it's because I've gone over the skin, so I'm just wiping it away before obviously putting it under the lamp. as you can see, I've got my little pinny on because I've literally just made a cake, and the cake was in the oven, so I thought, wow, do my nails at the same time. So the first coat is on, so now I'm going in with just another coat of the brown, and in a minute you'll see on the ring finger on top of the green, I will be putting just a little bit of gold glitter on that now, and then of course popping it under the lamp. I think this time I popped it in for 120 seconds. It might have been 90, but I think it was 120. So here goes the coat of the gold glitter polish. And now I'm going in with the top coat, so just one coat on every nail, and then under the lamp for 120 seconds. And now to take off any of the residue, like the sticky residue that you're left with after you finished sort of curing your nails under the lamp. Just taking it off with some nail polish remover. So this is just an acetone-free nail polish remover just over each nail, and then finally I'm going in with just some cuticle oil. So as you can see, I'm putting it on the cuticles, and then I'm just rubbing it in all around the cuticle and over the nail. And voila, it's all done. I didn't see the point in showing you the second hand because it was literally just a repeat of the first hand. So this is what the nails look like. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Take care.